Hi, I'm Rah'tah and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, we are doing an unboxing of the Mini Town Canvas Signature bag, you guys. I fell in love with this bag, you guys, when I saw it. It was on sale for Black Friday weekend, so you guys know I had to grab it. It was only $99, but before we get into the bag, I wanted to show you guys my outfit really quick. I am feeling like Charlotte from Sex and the City. I mean, also, does anyone know how to like tie these sweaters so perfectly? Like, Charlotte always looked so polished, like seriously. But what I'm wearing is a Ralph Lauren sweater. I just tied it around this dress. This is just a basic just tank dress, and I decided that I wanted to spruce it up a bit by putting the sweater over my shoulders. And then, you guys, I'm obsessed with this headband, and this headband is an Amazon find. So this is how you can put together an outfit just really quickly, seriously. Oh, and I'm wearing my Kate Spade pearl bracelet. My sister purchased this for me and I absolutely love it, you guys. I was feeling a little bit, you know, preppy today, I guess, so what you want to call it. So anyways, let's get into this bag really quick. So I wanted to do the unboxing with you guys, the unbagging. I wanted you guys to see everything about this bag, you guys. I told my hygienist today that I ordered this bag and that I was very excited to get it, and it came today on my doorstep. This order was placed on the Coach Outlet website. If you guys are not familiar with the Coach Outlet, I highly recommend that you get acquainted with them. I'll put the information, their link in there. You can sign up and they will send you deals like nonstop. They'll even text you deals about this. And the good thing about it is that they will let you know when an item is going to be going out of stock soon. Like if a lot of purchases have been made, they will definitely send you a text message, so that way you can go ahead and purchase the item if you want to as well. So anyways, this is the Mini Town bucket bag, you guys. I love crossbody bags. I love like a more smaller bag. I feel like that is where pretty much my true love is like in the little smaller bags. I'm going to unwrap it with you all. So it came with all the packaging like this, and wrapped it really well, as you can see here. It's wrapped. OMG, you guys. Ah! Can you see it? Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. Look at that. I definitely love the lettering. It's their signature canvas. This is the Mini Town bucket bag, you guys. Absolutely love it. Okay, came with the tag attached. Comparable value, $290. Brown with strawberry haze. I'll put the link to it in here as well. Looks like it has detachable straps as well. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. So I thought this was really pretty. Obviously, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so the inside of it has that little zipper divider there. And so I love that the zipper divider does not go all the way to the bottom of it. So things can slide around there on the bottom, you know what I mean? So the items that I carry in here will most likely be like in a pouch. I won't be carrying a lot in here because I'm just not gonna be carrying a lot. She's a winner. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so pretty. Oh, and it does have the adjustable, the markings in here, the buckles on here, so you can adjust it with little holes there. So everything was completely covered up. Like, you see, everything is taped up right here. I just want to let you guys know that I am 5'4", if you want to do a comparison on this bag. I am going to measure it because I do have my tape measure here. I had a feeling that some of you may want the measurements on this bag, so I wanted to go ahead and provide those to you as well. But let's also look at the strap on here. So it's like this beautiful, it's not bubblegum pink, but I don't know, it's very pretty. They're calling it strawberry, and then it has a little Coach emblem, little keychain tag, and then, oh my goodness, I had no idea it had the pink little footing. You guys, this actually reminds me of the, what is it, the Neo Noe, the Louis Vuitton bucket bag that had the drawstrings. There's drawstring. Okay, so this right here, let's see if it closes shut. Okay, so this is an important feature. So this part actually closes shut. So let me show you. Okay, so see that there? It actually closes shut on there. So I think this is such a beautiful bag. So pretty. It just has Coach, New York, just lightly raised on there. Little gold hardware there. So I love it. And gold hardware is, y'all, my favorite. Definitely my favorite. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Has the measurements on it, because seeing measurements online is one thing, but actually measuring it for yourself is another. So it's roughly 6.5 inches, as you can see there. Let's see. We're gonna measure it from the seam all the way here. I guess we can get the, or maybe just the width. Is that how we should measure it? Okay, so from seam to seam, it's 9 inches from seam to seam, but just across the front, it's about, what's that, 5.5 inches? Almost 6 inches across the front. And then it has the drop strap on here. So I'm gonna stand up so you guys can kind of see where it lies on me. And again, I am 5'4". It just basically, just like all my stuff for, this is like, I think perfect for like going out on the weekends with your girlfriends. And you guys, you know the thing about that I love that these straps are detachable is because you can get a smaller strap if you want to change out the straps and just kind of carry it in the crook of your arm. Like I have a chain for my Henry Bendel bag, and I can definitely see me just switching it out. It's a gold chain, or getting, like I said, a shorter strap. I have seen some shorter straps like on Amazon, and I can link some of those for you guys, but I have a feeling that is exactly what I'm gonna do, just to kind of, like if I wanna take it to like evening bag and I wanna carry it as a top handle bag, you can also do that with this as well. And I'll definitely link this bag for you as well. It keeps selling out and coming back in. So if it says sold out, don't worry, they most likely will bring it back, because I waited a little bit later on during Black Friday to get it, and it was sold out, and then it came back up again. I paid for it quick, fast, and in a hurry. But so I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I hope you found it helpful. Just let me know if you have any questions about this particular bag. I have the iPhone 12 Pro, and it does fit in this bag, because pretty much all I'm going to be really carrying in this bag right now is just my phone, a compact, a mask, some sanitizer. That's pretty much it. ID, that's pretty much it. And I do have another little Coach wallet that I want to put in here as well. So I am super excited, because again, I don't carry much. Oh, I just remembered, I didn't show you guys the zipper compartment. Sorry, y'all, sorry. Okay, here's the zipper compartment right here. I don't know how could I forget that? Oh, okay, so here's the security feature in here. Here's the zipper compartment, which is perfect for like all of my little mints and gum and stuff. So, or any like loose change, if you have change, you just can sit it right in there. But anyways, I thought that was cute. So I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in to this channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. We'll definitely be doing more unboxings, just showing you more everyday finds that will not break the bank, you guys.